ninth grade, I worked for the Pittsburgh Steelers. In 10th grade, I worked at Heifer and Tillotson. Last year, I worked at the YMCA downtown Pittsburgh, and now I'm at Robert Morris in the Athletic Center.
This year, I'm working back down at the City County building, but in the law department.
We have a bunch of different sponsors like the Steelers, Providence Connections, Heinz.
You just get exposed to so many things that really no one this age has the availability to get.
Learning how to be mature, network with people and stuff like that was good for me.
I like the exposure of it. I like being able to go to a business and feel like part of the company, part of like the employees, and hearing that they appreciate my help makes me feel like I have like a real job.